Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am sharing a simple home remedy that has helped me with hair growth and reducing dandruff issue I have been facing for a couple of months. Here how you can make it. Turn on the gas and place a wok on it. Add 3 glasses of water to the wok. Add 1 bowl of fenugreek seeds, methi to the water. Increase the flame to bring it to a boil. Second task, chop 2 onion onto small pieces and all the chopped onion pieces to the boiling water. Let the mixture boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pour the mixture into a large bowl. Use a strainer chunni to filter out the solid parts, collecting the liquid extract in a separate container. Add 3 spoons each of coconut oil and castor oil to the container. Mix or shake well. Pour the final mixture into a spray bottle for easy use. How to use? Spray this mixture onto your scalp and hair roots. Massage gently and leave it on for few hours or overnight before washing your hair. I hope this remedy help you as much as it is helping me. If you try it, let me know your experience in the comment. Thank you.